for the rap challenge. But today I'm gonna be doing Britton makeup. And what are we gonna make you look like today, Britton?
They're gonna make me look like a cat.
A
Meow.
cat.
Meow. 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 First, you guys, we're gonna open the brushes.
Open them up.
Yeah.
It's always put these packages. So these are the brushes. You got yours?
Yeah.
Okay, show them just show them the brushes. Out of order. Okay. You ready to get started? Alright, let's get on started. So let's start off with your brows. Okay, let's start with it. So, we're gonna start with the eye look, which we're gonna make black into white.
Wow.
So, brush. Alright. Don't squish it out. I know what I'm doing, okay? Don't look at me like that. I know what I'm doing. I'm professional.
I know you like sometimes do makeup. Yeah. So how many years you been doing this?
2 years. 2 years now. 2 or 3 years. I think.
I
About
think
that.
you're gonna be good at this.
Yeah.
Good, don't mess me up.
Girl, I am not. Be quiet.
Good. You know you went to Florida. Summer.
Oh my gosh, Brit. Too funny. Are you paying a cash or card?
Definitely cat. No, card.
Card? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
I had to make sure I was gonna payment.
But you don't even need any payment.
I do need payment.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
I will run away with all my money.
You better just hop on the chair right now. It's okay, I'll get a discount. You'll get it for free. But if y'all want to make it done, I gotta pay.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my car from the car, and I'm gonna stop it.
Okay. Alrighty. So, time for the other eye. Really quick.
You have to be good.
Wow, where you going?
I have to go to a dance.
To a dance?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make sure it look good. The smoky eyes are like the easiest thing. So why did you choose a cat?
Because it will get the vibes on.
Oh, get the vibes on?
Yeah.
Oh, I totally understand.
Everybody's gonna say hi to me.
Oh, hot. Okay. So you want people to, walk up to you and be like, "Oh, I love your makeup."
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if they have some pretty makeup, I would say. I like your makeup too.
As you should.
Yeah. Being nice is the way you should.
Yes, guys, be nice.
Yeah, be nice. Or somebody's gonna like be mean to you.
They be mean to you, just tell them you're
Yeah.
a hater.
Yeah.
You're a hater.
Push them away.
Yeah.
Let's go back to your makeup.
Okay, let's do it something.
You really focus.
I really am.
So,
I'm gonna clean that up.
what other questions do you have?
If you had to pick one place, where would it be? If you had to go somewhere like right now, where would it be?
Target.
Target.
Yeah.
As your like dream place with no money? You gonna go to Target with no money?
Yeah.
So how you gonna go to Target?
Oh.
If
I
you
will
got
go
no
to
money.
the bank.
You gonna go to the bank. You can only pick one place though.
To the bank.
So you're gonna go to the bank. What you gonna do after the bank? You just gonna go to the bank for no reason?
No, I'm gonna go to Target.
But
No,
you can
no.
only pick one place.
No, I'm gonna go to Chipotle.
Oh, I'll go there too. They food be busting.
No, they don't even have noodles. What about Japan?
Japan in?
Yeah. Those soups be so good.
Yes.
I want to have like
They
two.
rice?
Yeah.
Benihana's. I don't know if that's the name, but
Yeah, the rice are so crispy.
crispy.
I need to taste so good.
Are you okay? Bryn, are you okay?
What is your dream car?
Huh?
Please don't say it. I know what you're gonna say.
It's the Jeep, but it's a Benz. I forgot how to say it. A G-Wagon.
I
There it
want
is.
a G-Wagon, but it's gonna be pink.
That's what I was saying. It gotta be like pink, or it gotta be like black with little letters on it. Like it gotta have like if it don't have that, then I don't want it. Like
But if my G-Wagon has pink a heart, I would love that. Like, have you watched Rebecca Zamora?
Zamorlo?
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm
I
pronouncing
like
her
her.
name.
I like her like truck with the heart. It looks
Oh,
so
I saw her
beautiful.
truck. I'm gonna play one video from her. Well, that's like her old video because I haven't watched her in a minute.
Well, they're gonna have no money.
Now we're gonna do the nose. You ready?
Yeah.
This is like the easiest part, I think.
Yeah, I love the nose part.
The only part I hate is that I can see a little nose.
The only part I don't like is the eyeshadow.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Now I messed up, of course.
We all have mistakes. I love your hair.
Thank you. I love yours.
I just got it done today.
I know. I was there.
It's so wet.
Me personally, I personally think that you're gonna be a cute kitty cat.
I want to be like a kitty. No, those baby cats.
Oh, the kitties?
Yeah. They look so cute.
And now let's fix our mistakes.
Which animal you want to have when you grow up?
A koala. Even though I don't think that we can have those in the United States. I'm not
We
sure.
can't.
Yeah. Yeah, but I want to have a koala. Like, I want to be a koala if I was an animal. I'll choose to be a koala because they get to, or a panda because they get to eat. They don't bother nobody. I don't think people necessarily bother them. That's if I don't think they really track on that. What would you be if you had to choose an animal? What would you be?
Probably a koala.
A koala? Why would you be a koala?
Because it's like chill. Yeah. You don't bother them, like you said. You just hop on trees.
Hop on trees?
No, trees.
What color is a koala? Quiz.
A koala is like gray or like a bluish.
A gray?
A bluish
A
gray.
bluish.
Yeah, because you know, I had a fluffy animal thing. It's a do you know those little stuffed animals?
Yeah.
Animal. I had a stuffed animal koala, but I can't find it.
You lost it?
Yeah, but it was a bluish, like grayish. Yeah, like a blue koala.
I'm sorry, Britt.
What do you like to eat?
Chipotle.
No, what food?
Chipotle.
No, what? I'm not talking about the restaurant.
Chipotle.
Just like what you like to eat out there.
Okay. Chicken, rice. No, chicken. No, I gotta put it in order. Rice, black beans, chicken, and cheese on top. And the cheese gotta be like melted. So when I eat it, it's sticky and I don't know if that makes sense, but I like it like that.
I like McDonald's.
Ooh, we know you do, Britt. That's your favorite thing to eat because it's unhealthy. Okay, Britt. Okay, Britt, we get it. Oh no, I done messed it up now. Oh my gosh, it's simple line. How do I mess it up? My bad.
Like it?
Let's clean it up. Let's clean it up. Stop, stop, stop. Clean it up. Clean it up. Okay. Put your lips on the napkin. No, it'll just break. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something. What does a cat have that I'm missing?
We have whiskers.
You have whiskers. Whiskers. I didn't forget that. Sorry, Brad. I forgot the whiskers. That's the whiskers.
Yeah. I couldn't tell once.
All right, how much whiskers? 3?
What?
4. It'll work it. Okay. Small and long. One of them long and one of them short.
No. No, sure.
Short. Oh, we're gonna have to do 3 because it's gonna run so long. Alright, to the other side.
They better look good. Like it?
Mm-hmm. There's the other one. please? Alright, now let's choose a lip gloss to put you on. This color? Or you want to do this one?
This.
Grab it, Britt. Okay. Oh yeah, this not gonna show, Brittany. That's not showing. Okay,
Okay.
this one now.
Let's do this one.
The pink one. Did you forget it?
Wow!
Close it. That's tight. Alright guys, we just finished the eyeliner, but you wanna see it?
Sure. It looks so cute. I love it.
Alright, now it's time to go to mascara. You ready?
Yep.
And now close your eyes. Bria, okay, I see you. Little curl.
Ooh.
Girl, you got lashes on. Hold up. Yes. That's all you were doing?
Fine.
Alright, let's do the bronzer. You like it?
Okay. I can't wait. Can't wait when it's gonna turn out.
Are y'all ready for the final look? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Can I see? I look so cute.
Super cute. Get it? Super cute.
Fire.
Because it's cat and it's, you know, they print. Okay, yeah, I'm done.
I know that.